This week we're heading into Manchester once again, and we're going to be staying at the Marriott Hotel Piccadilly, which is a 4-star hotel in the heart of the city and close to all of the major transport links. First built in 1973 by architect J.W. Hammond, it was a former British telecommunications building that has changed hands from the McDonald Hotel Group to the Marriott Group, which took over in spring 2024. We booked a double deluxe room on the 6th floor, and it offers nice views over the edge of the city. The room itself is very spacious indeed. As we enter the room, we have all of our luggage and all of our clothing storage area to the left. There's those simple wooden hangers, nope, no branding. In the compartment to the left, we have an iron, a mini ironing board. And in the drawer, yep, we have a hairdryer. Yeah, it's never been used. We have laundry services available. What's it say? £8 for trousers and £3 for a tie. Yeah, I think I'll give it a miss. We do have more storage below. There's a digital safe, by the way, and some spare pillows. Oh, no, that's no good. Look at that. Certainly not been used in a while. Wow. I mean, nevertheless, those pillows are indeed vacuum packed, so they should be okay. And oh, we have a mini fridge. Is there anything in it?
Nope.
Yeah, no. Oh well, I'll chuck some soft drinks in momentarily. Above, you get some tea and coffee beverages. Plenty, in fact, for my suitcase. We get 2 handy drinking glasses, 2 very clean cups, and we have a stainless steel kettle on the surface just above. Now behind the kettle we get mobile phone charging sockets. There's indeed a facial mirror. And, oh, okay, it says here that we can order some in-room dining. Now, it's good to see we've got recycling going on here. And branding is on point within the bin too. Now, there is some tasteful furniture. I do like that clean rug. Let's chill out a bit. Yep. Wrap-around chairs. Very comfy. You get 2 of them. And you do also get a double sofa on the other side of that table. You know, where that beauty is sat just there. Now, on the first floor there is a spa with various treatments to be had. And if you are staying more than one night, you can skip room services and enjoy a £10 voucher to use within the restaurant by scanning this QR code. Entertainment-wise, you have this huge Samsung TV up on the wall. Oh, shoot. Doesn't look like YouTube seems to work though. Oh well, to make the room a little cozier, you do have some nice ambient lighting, but look at these though. Wow, those curtains are long. You got blackout curtains with dual spotlights that accentuates the ripple design up on the curtains themselves, and that view, wow, it's almost panoramic. Wonderful views of the city, and the noise isolation is certainly on point.
Home sweet home.
I do like these bedside lights, they give off a cool vibe, but below we have some more charging capabilities, beautiful bedside storage, and yes, you can fully control the heat and air conditioning using a Bluetooth app, or just simply use that touch control wall panel. There is a large dressing mirror on the wall, power sockets just below, and a bit of unique art too.
I like it a lot.
We still have a wired phone within this room. And you also get these cool reading lamps to the side of the headboard. And well, the bed, everything is super fresh. Fantastic pillows. And the mattress, nope, no encasement. But it's nice to see that mattress does get regularly checked and inspected. Yeah, we only get a mattress topper here, but that view, when lay on the bed, is desirable. The mattress provides a proper sunken feel. Don't want to get up. And the sofa, by the way, is very snug too. It's quite fantastic to chill out on. It's certainly great if you want to host more people. But you know what, come with me and let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, wow, now this is a huge bathroom. So you get a super clean, full-size bathtub, all your usual shampoo and conditioner shower gels. These are by the Works company. There's a bath mat on the back of the door. Yes, privacy, the door locks. You have plenty of hand towels on that heated towel rail. Lovely, toasty and warm. You also get some hand wash just here next to the sink. And one thing I do love is that spotless, huge mirror. Hey, look at that. Brilliant illumination. And it has that built-in fine, round shaving mirror. That is classy. Now the faucets and fitments are polished to perfection, along with that man tissue box and dual toilet bowl holders. Yes, attention to detail is on point with the tissue. We are also provided with some handy sanitary bags. And ooh, look at this. We get some art from Manchester band New Order. I do like that. Now, do we get a floating seat? Yes, indeed we do. One flush, yep, and it's gone. Next to the toilet we get a chrome pedal bin, and lastly, we get a compact shower cubicle, which can fit 2 people quite easily. Again, all that chrome on the shower head and fitments and fittings are spotless, but I don't know about this soap dish just there. Look at the state of that. God, that's seen better days. And again, we got all the usual shampoo and conditioners. The shower pressure, it's not too bad. And we do have some handy clothing hooks on the back of the door too. And unlike some of the latest hotels that we've reviewed, we do have some good shower drainage. Nope, no blockages. Now, because time is ticking on, we'd popped open some champagne and decided to venture out within the city. Yes, there is a restaurant and bar within this hotel. We did try to chill within the bar area, but too many kids were running around. It was too noisy for our liking, so we went out to Turtle Bay on Oxford Road for some good grub. Oh yeah, and a few games of dominoes too. We ventured back to the hotel to see if the bar area was quieted down, but we just decided, you know what, to call it a night.
A few minutes later.
So we went out to something to eat, got some fresh air. We came back. We decided to go to the bar downstairs. It was a bit rowdy, loads and loads of kids running about. So I'm like, no. My partner said, let's go upstairs, let's just chill out. So we took a drink from the bar, cheers, and we're just chilling in the room. But I'll be honest, the noise from the door just over there, it's ridiculous. The hallway, the amount of people running up and down. I can hear kids making a racket upstairs, kids running up and down thinking it's a playground. And we're here just to take a break from everything, and you're just thinking, shut the fuck up! It's the only letdown right now, but hopefully we're gonna get some sleep in a sec. get a few more drinks, fingers crossed. We'll get some sound sleep.
Morning guys, it's almost checkout time, but last night's sleep was very, very good. The noise from the busy city traffic, the traffic is non-stop, but the windows are very well sealed off indeed. We did love the space of this room. It allowed us to go into the nights with good conversation, positive vibes, and showering this morning was very refreshing indeed. Doubt I'd ever use the bathtub, maybe if I stayed for a few more days. But what stands out within this hotel room is the cleanliness and on-point detail to attention within this double deluxe room. Now it cost us for one night within this room £147.54, and considering it's on a busy night, it wasn't too bad of a deal to be honest. Parking though, it is on Berry Street, you do need code access, and it will set you back £25 for 24 hours. Now we didn't manage to wake up for breakfast, we were late, but I do believe it's quite exceptional. But let us know if you stayed at the Manchester Marriott Hotel in Piccadilly. Comment in the comment section down below of your experience. And you know what, I might actually come back and try the Executive King Room with M Club Lounge access. But if you've liked this quick video, please give us a like, and not only that, most importantly, subscribe just now. But what we're going to do in the next few days is we're going to come back to the city and we're going to check out the room's hotel. But in the meantime, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.